Cut it off. Start it up. And cut it off. And start it up. Pop it into forward, bring it to 2,000. Try reverse. So nothing's moving. Okay, try shifting it. So you're moving the shift lever, but nothing's moving back here. It's not going into gear. Okay. All right, sounds good.